Welcome again to Sliice XR. This is Catherine Oaks, your host. Today we are going to talk about the latest in XR technology. As we've learned in a previous video on this channel, extended reality or XR is a collection of technologies that enhance or replace the reality we typically perceive around us. XR add layers of utility or entertainment to our world. For example, our phone may have XR applications that displays directional arrows on our surroundings, making navigation foolproof. The smart mirror in a clothing store may ensure that we're buying exactly the right size and that the item looks great on us without having to try it on. Similar technology can show us a new hairstyle or a new makeup look through our phone or our computer. A virtual reality headset combined with haptic gloves can give us the sensory feedback that allows us to execute pressure-sensitive tasks virtually or remotely, from typing to surgery. And this is just an example of how AR, MR, VR, and IoT can combine to create the broad category of XR. If you missed our video, What is XR? I put the link below in the comment area. So let's distinguish all of those categories. VR, or virtual reality, renders simulation through a headset or a visor. It's a closed digital environment. AR, or augmented reality, are enhancements transposed upon the naturally occurring environments. AR can be accessed through a headset, through a phone, through a tablet, for a smart window or a mirror. MR, mixed reality, is both AR and VR combined together. And lastly, IoT, or Internet of Things, is a network of devices enabled with software. In other words, sensors and applications working together to create smart homes, smart businesses, and smart cities. So XR is a broader category to encompass all of those emerging technologies. In the near future, the mastery of simulated sight, sound, and touch is the holy grail for XR companies like Meta. Scent and taste are out of scope for this video, but synthesizing all 5 senses is possible. In the lab, tiny electric shocks delivered to the nose and tongue have been demonstrated to construct the range of taste and smells that humans are capable of. This range is surprisingly limited from a scientific point of view. For example, the limit of the human taste profile is different combinations of sweet, salty, acidic, bitter, and umami. Add cool and hot, and that's really all that we can perceive. Comment below if you want us to film a whole video on the topic of sensory array in XR, or share your insights on how all those 5 senses might be engaged using XR technologies. But enough about the far future. A breakthrough in XR is about to hit the markets in months, not in years. Project Cambria, the next generation of the Quest, is a true XR headset because it combines both augmented reality and virtual reality. Cambria's color pass-through tech renders the surrounding environment at 2116 by 2160 per eye resolution, creating a clear and realistic AR simulation. Cambria will be one of the first commercially available VR headsets to make use of pancake lenses. This multi-element lens design significantly reduces the required distance between the lenses and the display, and subsequently the depth profile of the headset itself. Combined with its counterbalance head strap, the Cambria will give the device a comfortable goggle-like feel. However, it remains to be seen what application Meta will offer for this vastly improved AR headset, but can't wait to find out. It may be hard to visualize how to leverage XR, especially if you haven't spent much time in a virtual reality. However, big brands are positioned for the inevitable move, and your company should be too. According to Statista, the share of adults in the United States joining or considering joining the metaverse is 74%. So don't wait too long to claim your slice of the metaverse, because the time is now. The motto at Sliice XR is first to market, first to succeed. XR is one of the fastest growing markets, with new technologies driving industry growth across various sectors, such as healthcare, education, real estate, and retail. Metaverse-related ideas, technologies, and platforms are backed by billions, if not trillions, in investments. The metaverse is indeed evolving from a simple curiosity to an essential part in people's lives. It's a real exciting time to be involved and look at all the possibilities and opportunities offered to you. Your business just can't afford to ignore this global technological shift. However, you do need to know the basics before entering this exciting new frontier. You have to have a plan. You have to have a strategy. You have to learn and educate yourself so that you can make informed decisions. Don't listen to naysayers. Don't listen to those that are telling you that it's just a fad, that is going to go nowhere. The visionaries of the world are the ones creating and instigating change. Those are the ones establishing leadership before everyone else, before their competitors. Be that one. Be that smart pioneer. And again, education is everything. Education will give you the fuel and the tools to share your knowledge with your peers and make the right decisions to stake a claim in the metaverse before your competitors and end up winning. Thank you again for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel and see you next time.